first long video of gameplay, and you can already see how rough the textures are. Like, holy crap. So I'm fighting this guy. Everybody was a complete noob. At this time, nobody knew how to play the game properly. There were a very select few people who actually knew how to play, but the vast majority had no idea what the hell they were doing. And again, the texture work is absolutely terrible here. Like, look at the grass. This looks like crap. The concrete looks like plastic. For a very, very short time period, the game looked like crap. You got that old shockwave, looks pretty bad. Like, we were just throwing out moves like, whatever, who cares? Like, what was I doing there? There's the first table flip. That was a pretty nasty hit, man. This was one of the funniest things that drew me to this game, was the fact that you could just hit people off things like that. It's just funny, man. I like games where you can interact with physics like that. It's very interesting. Like, this game just hit different for some reason. I don't know why. And to this day, it's still why I don't really mess with any of the other Battlegrounds games. The movement and the physics just don't click the same way this game does. And again, another thing back then, you were never allowed to have a 1v1. If you went in this game, it was an actual battleground. You were not allowed to 1v1 anyone. If you fought in here, you were fighting multiple people at once. Like, look, you got like a 2v2, a 1v1v1v1, like 4v4, what the hell is this? I can't
So
even
napit.
combo lock because of this guy.
I wasn't that old.
It's like every 2 seconds you're just hit by something.
I was too busy playing
Look at these idiots. They have no idea what the block button is. Neither did I. Nobody knew how to do anything. That's what I'm trying to say here. I saw that kill. Sick. He thought he had that slick move on me. No, sir. He figured out the block button.
Shut
Look
up,
at me now. I
guys.
have no
Good
idea what to
morning
do.
and good evening.
Like,
Tintistingan ako ng laptop gamiton sa akong live.
funny watching this.
Kaya mura siya
You can see
nindot
the
siya.
old dummy back there. You can see this guy's
Let
about
me
to
see.
like half the map. Oh, okay, I didn't notice that either. That was very close to hitting us. Oh, that's like 3 ultimate moves in one go. You got a death counter and then like 2 table flips. So we're basically both equal now. And I didn't even notice it on the video. This guy just popped his series mode. The game sounds back then were so loud. It was the most distracting thing ever. So you would try to listen for somebody's cracking sounds, like the knuckle crack sounds. You could not hear anything because a table flip would destroy your eardrums. So this guy knocks me back. You can see right there, he does it. Like the screen was shaking, there was debris everywhere. You had no idea of telling what he was doing. I think I'm aware. I think I am. You can see the old effects were very rough. He's just waiting for one of us to hit him. I'm fully aware. He's like, hit me, man. He is desperate now. Yeah, and he got him. That was just about 10 seconds. He just barely got there. So I fought this guy again. I'm getting absolutely destroyed here. I ended up popping death counter. Hold on, what is this? So this guy's like full health. I'm super... This guy's like, what the hell? And of course, it all fails, but it's fine because I had like 5 kills in this, so you cut me some slack here. He was so strong. He was so powerful. The amount of stuff this guy has gone through over the past year is kind of ridiculous. He gradually became weaker. Then he became homeless. Then he became homeless but Santa Claus. And then he somehow found a suit. And now I think he's trained to destroy us. As the kids nowadays would say, the weakest dummy had aura. I think I laughed out loud at that part. That was fun. Like, look at this kick. This is just so satisfying. Cleanest normal punch ever. I just did not let this guy go. I just did not let him go.
Shout out.
I'm making it so obvious that I have death
Six.
count on. Like, what was I doing? I was so trash at this
6
game.
comments.
He just walks away.
5 viewers. Oh, nindot pala ini. 1 share.
It runs out. Now it's over.
Ay.
Then this guy finally died.
Another day.
He finally hit the hay. I'm celebrating, man.
Shout out Raul Ortigo. So, yeah, I'm using a laptop right now, guys. So much better siguro ni. Ma-review ko itong kwan bang. Dung, 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 dung. Shout out sa 2i.
Need to go. Need to go.
Paningot ba na si Ruan bang?
Mama, can you give me an orange?
Apa man yung
The orange of
Tap.
yesterday.
top gamito na,
This
guys.
was Saitama game.
Tanaw na kung bagong kwan, guys. Oh. Oh my god. I like it. Count siya. Sumay buntag sa tanan.
Homeless. Then he became
Can you hear me
homeless
okay?
Santa Claus. And then he somehow found a suit. And
3
now I
viewers,
think he's
thank you so
trained
much.
to destroy us. As the kids nowadays would say, the weakest
Can you hear me okay, guys?
I think I laughed out loud at that part. That was fine. Like, look at this hit. This is just so satisfying. Cleanest normal punch ever. I just did not let this guy go. I just did not let him go. I'm making it so obvious that I have death counter on. Like, what was I doing? I was so
That
trash at
Yankee
this
box.
game. Jeez,
I'm not
Christ.
like that.
Maybe I can try and get this guy. Nope. It runs out. Now it's over.
Subrag comment.
And this guy finally died.
No, no, no.
He finally hit the hay. I'm celebrating, man. Oh, shove tech. Oh, shove tech. Go back, go back, go back.
Answer ka. Butag
Is this
kape,
the
gatas.
first player to do the shove tech? Maybe. White 8 Pine, you might be the founder of the ultimate technique.
2 viewers, 1 reaction, 1 share.
Honestly.
Salamat guys.
Cable flip was so wild back then.
Kuya ka mag...
It sent you so high, and I swear there were more effects, so it just looked more intense. Like, just look at this.
Kasi kaon, yung buta ni kanon mang?
Wala.
Sa bola.
It just tells so much.
Binabi siya na. Tangan mo itlog.
I found like a couple.
It's only
A couple.
backgrounds
These two.
and like Goku
Not because I stole
when,
their kill. They started jumping.
when
These two.
without
This
Ultra.
this furry and this guy. I'm like, I'm fighting this guy. He actually has serious mode enabled right now, so I have no clue. He does the slow nudge just to make sure he's in the right range, just to make sure I don't miss when I punch him. Like, just do little nudges.
Tagal lang kung 30 minutes guys. Sabayan ako ninyo.
Boom.
Ha? 30 minutes lang akong pangayos niyo. Nakatulugo na po ko.
Back then, I don't know what the hell was going on here, but
Shut up, shut up,
this was
shut up.
before I grew my peanut head. And I kind of look back at this and like, kind of sad.
Hindi ka
My
mang.
hairline gets so bad. I came back for revenge because
Are they
how am I gonna let some devil boy
La.
couple get on my nerves like that? Like, come on, I gotta,
Eh, apple
I
ito
gotta
oh.
show him who's boss. This was the funniest part, man. Look at this.
Ah, Mantora, libang-libang siya.
His furry girlfriend. You gotta give him credit. He's defending his girlfriend. That's what a good man does.
Wash out!
Little did he know he was a fool.
Jmar Mendoza
Or I was the fool.
from Tagum City.
Or I was the fool again. So we ended up being able to kill his girl. And I don't remember what his reaction
Son
to
of a-
this was. The triple consecutive punches.
Arnolfo Ramos Dinorio.
By accident.
Been played Mang Liwan. Sir, good evening.
And now he's like freaking
And
out.
hello world.
He's standing still. He's like, what the hell do I do? I failed. He's lost all motivation. It's over. And that
Tanawan na ng
usually
apple yung
all
kaon mo.
these skinny trees, the tree
Uy.
is great. He manages to
Hugasan mo na.
but fear not,
Katawa si Papa.
as this is the end, and he will fail once more.
Papa Dan Spain, shout out. Si Sunshine, oh.
Foolish girl.
Yes, foolish woman.
So that table flip killed
Magandang araw sa lahat. Nandito sa live si Sir Ryan.
all my ears. Ow.
Please support M. Claveria Dalutay.
The ultimate double kill. Look at the way the head flies off. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. This is the next day. This is on February 3rd, the day I uploaded the video. And you can see the trees are already changed to resemble something sort of like, although they are much shorter, much skinnier. I'm not really sure what I was doing in this clip. I think I was trying to record some sort of like combo short thing. But the dummy was just such a different beast back then. He was the perfect being. And then you look at him now, poor guy. You'll get your time to shine soon. But that's basically it.
Tinahangi ko. Yema, oh.
Basically it all. The only new additions are slight map changes.
Ay,
and
oh.
characters. The base
Pidi
gameplay,
ugma,
the basic
patudlo ka.
mechanics,
Patudlo
and
siyang
the
siya ugma.
the same.
Ima.
And the game has become like one of the top 10
Say work.
popular on the platform right now. It goes to show
What?
that
Say
the
what?
formula matters the most. I'm just kinda curious.
Wala work si Shanshan ugma. Guys, hold on. 20 minutes lang. I'm so sleepy. Bigas kong papa. Dance spin. Mar.
It's not fair.
What?
But in the end, I fell victim to the
Shout
Side Dash
out
trend, and now everybody
sa
does
diha
it.
sa
Requirement.
Asa ito nila?
It's fun to look back at things,
Asa ito
but
sila?
it's also
Papadas
better
po yung mang?
to move on.
Erlinville. Sa Erlinville subdivision. Shout out mga guys. Pa-share naman. Ha 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 ha. Magandang araw.
Today's video we're trying
Chatbot.
the brand new, where is it? Centennial Bonnie, I think is what it's called.
Okay mga guys.
Damage 25 to 45 plus 50% because we got the public.
Shout out.
Asa na pud ka, Robin?
Nalibang.
I'm spending 100,000 Robux on activate defenders to unlock the strongest units possible. All so I can beat my friend in an infinite mode race, as he seems to believe he's better than me at tower defense games. So I gotta prove him
Ay,
wrong.
karate si Ron ug mamang. Oxo Thursday. Shout out. Sa 18 minutes.
Are you gonna be there?
Dan share. Tugnaw. Tugnaga.
Quarter 2 of 2024 is coming to an end, and I thought we would get better games this quarter than we got in quarter 1.
Shout out Moon Idhaw. Dan share. Thank you so much. Tulog ko na ako. Alas 10 na. O, sige lang. Mula lang ko. Para sa inyo ano eh. Tulog. Diyos na.
Now, this game didn't release in April. It was definitely the last
60, 15, 60.
so guess what? It's going to be in this one. But even though Jujutsu Shenanigans is a Battlegrounds game, I'm not going to lie, it's been one of my most favorite games that we got in this quarter. And I know we're not in quarter 1 anymore, but I like them more than any game we got in quarter 1 too. I'm being completely honest with you. Now it does get repetitive because, yeah, it's a Battlegrounds game, but it's the only Battlegrounds game I had fun playing alone and playing with my friends. If you haven't tried it out,
Kumusta ka? Shout out sa mga taga-Asunsyon. Yeah. Please support my page. Karong mo mabot nga pinili ay mo dagan ko. Ha? Dagan ko guys. Usa, suportahin ko ninyo. Tubo na guys. Nag-bike mo kami kanina guys. Bike na pod mi ang Daddy's Ride. Nag-bike na pod. Nag-bike ang Daddy's Ride kanina. Naglibot na mo ang half sa Brandon. So, we We took it 1 hour and 30 minutes. Not bad.
You can't really do this in any other Battlegrounds game. That is a cool feature. Combat-wise and everything else,
So,
it really is just the strongest Battleground.
nakapoy ko gamay.
Instead of being one anime, it's Getsy anime. You know, you got characters from
So 30 minutes live lang guys, quick live. Kamusta lang kasi inyo ha?
Now, me personally, I still did play the game a little bit, but it's nothing that's crazy unique, if you get what I'm saying. Now, I did skip over a game because it was sadly an RNG game, but we did get a game on April 6th called Anime RNG, and that's all I need to say about it. And then April 13th, we got a One Piece game named Legacy Piece, and I'm gonna be honest, this game did get like 20k plus players, but it was mad money on release, and the combat was so terrible. Now, Rio, if you're seeing this in my boy, I'm not trying to hate like that, but me and a group of other people was telling Rio that the combat felt stiff and it needed some work, and that was like months before release, and it was still the same on release. So, I mean, I can't really say anything about that. The combat wasn't that good, but it definitely was on the higher side, I guess you could say, the games that we got in the
Papo may laptop live eh guys. La, nagsinog. Wow, thank you so much. Nagsin si Frederick. Sir, thank you so much, Sir Frederick. Thank you so much. May pailaw na ako, guys. Kabalo mo. Hi. Yun. Thank you so much, Sir Frederick. Sir, thank you talaga.
The movie takes place 2 years after the finale of the show. Steven says he wants to stay on Earth, but the Diamonds insist he stays and takes the throne. He goes home anyway. Steven meets up with Connie back on Earth, who's heading
Mang, i-remind ko ang basura, mang.
Steven a kiss before she goes, leaving Steven floored. And the audience may be not so floored because I mean, come on, I think we all knew that would happen eventually.
Thank you so much.
Are all making a new home for the gems. And eventually, all the crystal gems reunite to take a picture
Sudan?
to celebrate the perfect future. It isn't perfect for long run, as a mysterious
Sige
new
po.
gem comes down to Earth.
Halot to ka, pinamang inasan.
Jive with Steven's peace
Sablo naman ka, diba?
Now, she knew Pink Diamond herself, but before Pearl can explain who she is, she poofs the gems, and is then poofed herself by Steven after she slashes him with her scythe a couple of times. Unfortunately, Steven can't bubble her due to the slashes which hurt his gem. Pearl comes back,
We started, yeah.
but not as per usual. Instead,
Sir Frederick po ay isa sa mga leader ng Daddy's Ride.
everyone else
So,
comes back as early versions of themselves too, all not knowing who Steven
walang
is.
anuman po. Salamat po, sir.
Gem that caused all
Asilo Amy, shout out. Heart, heart, heart.
spittle. And if all that isn't bad enough,
Si Frederick Labiano Jr., follow din niya siya. Isa sa mga leader ng Daddy's Ride. So,
plugged into Earth and
siya yung naghikayat sa amin na mag-bike.
things in lion.
At ngayon, malapit na kami maging addict sa bike. Summer na summer yung kutis namin kaka-bike, guys. So, magbabike kami.
Before eventually decide to try and have them
Puro.
go through past experiences to bring them back to where they were before. They start by trying to
Ano dyan na, puro leader.
by having Ruby save her again.
Si Frederick Labiano Jr. is isang mabait na leader. So guys, karon mo abot ng eleksyon. Suportaan nyo ninyo si Sir Frederick Labiano Jr. Isa siya sa pinakamagaling na leader sa Daddy's Ride. Kagas Ariel Hubasan. Sir, ikaw na.
And it seems the only person who can stop it is Spinel.
Can I eat the apple
They
seed,
have to bring
Mama?
her back, but need info on her.
Tubo na gunto yan. Apple seed. Apple seed. Shout out po guys.
Makes you
So next up, they gotta save Pearl. Amethyst decides to try and get to her by singing while looking like Rose. But Pearl has found a new leader in Glenn, who she won't take her eyes off of.
Sino naglaro nito guys? Sino magaling nito? Rubik's Cube. Sino? Sabihin niyo.
Steven realizes he needs to make Greg disappear like Rose did, so Pearl can feel the same emotions from that, so he fuses with his dad. Okay, that's kind of weird. They bring Pearl back to a saw
Good morning, idol. Sundugo na ko si Iko Bravo Fernandez. Good morning, idol. Hasta el Team Maluwang TV, founder Marilu Nelson. MM Vlog. Kina Iko Bravo Fernandez Pakatang. Ujing Del Mar. Shout out. Shout out sa inyo, guys. Josephine Flores. Kina Iko Bravo Fernandez. Ho ho ho. Kuha ba ya? Kuha ba? Kuha bang lifestyle? Ho ho ho. Shout out. Ito ay Rubik's Cube. Ito ay laruan ng mga mahihinang tao. Richard Arkisula Caspe na R akong account. In short, na negative. Imelda Cabeda, Gina Kumaling Caceres, Mela Kuha. Good morning, good morning. Ito ay laro ng mga mahina. Kaya naglaro ako kasi mahina ko nito. Rubik's Cube, guys. Oh my God. Gina Kumaling Caceres, Alejandro Galono, shout out. Sadong. Nalibang. Tututpas na. Kinapag karate ugma, excited ka? Excited. Sumabay siya. So guys, nabuo ko na ang Rubik's Cube. Jubel Villaverde Zamora, shout out. Tita Dahilan, shout out. Paki-share po ang live. Tan, tan, tan. Ito mo bang? Tulog lang na ako. Eh. Taong Japon. Ako mo ko nagpando no? Ako mo nagkanong na no? Tulog ko na kayo eh. Tulog na ako ni kung kagutom guys. Tulog ako ni Saira Reyes, Asilo Emi, Arlene Cha Vlog, Victor Casas Garbo, shout out. Do pina Iko Bravo Pakatang ni kung sinistoryahan guys ha. Pina Iko Bravo Fernandez Pakatang ni kung sounds ha. Shout out Judy Bina, shout out. Raul Ortigo, shout out. Mga silingan ulit sa Sunsun, shout out. Sige na. Kita guys, silinga ra mo ni Iko Ryan. Oh, sa una. Ibali naman na siya. Davao na siya, taga Davao. Silingan kay Pera. Otan na si Bravo Iko Pakata. Sana manapili ko boss para matilataw ng pupoy o gima boss. Ay, oh, Gina. Lagi no? Sige.
Itong talungan toothbrush ba? Gino na na yung ipon.
Lagi no. Tama no, ipadayon pa rin ako ng kuan. Naglisod mo guys ba? Kung unsay time da sa Philippines. Comment na mo unsay time sa Philippines nindot mag-live. Magpa-Gcash ko. Padula ko guys. What is in the box? What is in the box? Tama guys. 11:13. Unsa nindot nga i-live ya nga naa mo. Buntag o gabi. Shout out boss, kumusta? Leon, makana ako. Gapo pinaring orasa kay ting paniud tuman. Exact nga kanang di mo busy ba kanang relax time no tanang mo sa kong live. Gabi boss o gabi. Di ako na ikaw nun. Mustoryahan akong mga daghang tao gabi. Sige. I-share ako na ikaw nun. Yung marang napinding to kong plano. Kay siyempre daghang tayo priorities in life. Shout out Leon Macenas. Go na Ryan, dagan imong views ana. I'll just gathered more information. Nag-change mo kong job good, medyo mga busy ko gamay guys. Mga tiki ko kakatutok. Pero sige lang. I'll talk to my kinsa kong pwede maduulan. Bahin ka ng akong concern. Concern na ako, guys. So, bravo iko pagkatang. Yung concern, ano guys, gabi iligi. So, mga target na ko mga alas 6 diha. Or alas 7. Kung alas 7 sa gabi diha, diri kay alas 5, alas 6 sa buntag. So, dili kay conflict labi na kung weekend. Shout out sa 799 viewers. So tagay kong idea guys para at least malingaw atong live pa. Saan ako pag execute akong live no? Kanang lingaw akong live or talk show guys. Yan natin conversations, natin topics. Kung bahat busy magud summertime magud busy. But anyway, it's not an excuse guys. So let's see sa nindot na mo ko laptop nindot man ni lab ning laptop. 10 eyes. Good morning. Iko Bravo Fernandez Pakatang. Punta ka sa GC Ryan. Oh, ako gipansin dito ay nang load ko dito ng Ma'am Nelson. Ipaabot ni ko Ma'am Nelson ng load ko. Ano ko siya Ma'am, ang live ko. Siguro busy itong ang load. Joke.
Friday, July 10.
Ano siya?
Rice na po.
Ha? Price? Maricela Lanielo. Shout out. Kanin mo. 8 viewers. Oy. Sarap naman. May 8 viewers. Hello. Joke ragad to. Sige lang. Ako lang ikuan. Ano bra? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hapit na guys, hapit na mabuo atong Rubik's Cube. Laro ng mahihina. Kaya ako naglaro nito kasi mahina ako. Shout out sa Sa mahinang nilalang dyan. Tambo guys, oh. Isang layer na lang guys. Samahan nyo kung buuin natin. Pwede. Pwede, no? I'll talk to my wife about that. Para matabangan po ko niya. Ilisod magkaya ako, then like, diba, kung ako lang isa, then kisa madaog, kasi mo take note, diba? So, ugma, maghimo kog nana mo kog kriteria. So, ugma, maghimo kog work talk show, guys. Topic. No? Then, mga na mo sa kuha, bahin ka bahin lang ang topic mo. Marcilia Lanielo, shout out. So, guys, yeah. So, di pa dako po akong MOV, di pa dako. So, maybe it will help. So, tanaw na to. And then, ang grand prize guys is Yema cake. Then, pajikas ta. So, pagtuksyo siya. Suplada siya. Uy, ba't dito ka sa live ko? Ay, Maricilian Lanelo. Saan ka ba ngayon? Saan ka ba? Sa Pinas? Sa bang abroad ko ba? So guys, malapit na mabuo yung Rubik's Cubes guys. So-solve na natin to ngayon.
Ano na dito? Ayaw kung katika-tika ha.
Napang tito to.
Ka.
Tawag mo na sa yung tito man.
What are we eating tomorrow?
Oh my God, Ranjan.
Tumuro pa gali.
So guys, ito na lang. Konti na lang guys. Masolve ko na.
Magpunas ka dito.
Bombas. Ula.
Lagi akong nakasilip sa live mo. Hello, MMs. Kaninong live, Sir Marie? Sige. Kaninong live, Ma'am Marie? Sa akin ba? Kay Ma'am MM, sa co-founder.
Kaya mura mga po nag-noodles na mo kuhan.
Inside out.
Nara ako, co-founder. Si MM Vlog ni. Si Maricel Shaila Lanelo. Nagtatampo ba o nagpapahayag ng damdamin? Sa'yo nga, sa akin ba? Sa akin ba? Shout out sa 79. Tatagalog na po ba ako, ma'am? Okay lang po ba yung Tagalog ko sa'yo, ma'am? Shout out, Ma'am Maria. Pasensya na po. Nasaktan ko yung damdamin niyo po, ma'am. Sa kabila po ng kakulangan ko po, ay pinapahayag ko po yung aking taos pusong humihingi ng kapatawaran.
Never.
Ito guys, malapit na guys. Yung Rubik's Cube natin, malapit na.
She had a shooter on. She would have taken it.
Pasensya na po ma'am at hindi ko na malayan. Meron palang taga Luzon yung nanonood ng live ko. next time po, ma'am, ay gagawin ko po yung shot wash out spray from Australia, Eric Coy. So ngayon po, ma'am, international na po. Gagamitin ko po yung lingwahe ng ating bansa. Okay. Mang, pag nandyan ka sa live, sabihin mo agad, ma'am, para magtagalog agad. Magtagalog agad ako, ma'am. Para hindi ako magka-lisod-lisod. Alam mo? So guys, malapit na mabuo yung Rubik's Cube. Sa mahinang nilalang lang to, guys. So shout out. Ma'am Marie, tulungan mo ako sa... Ayan na guys, nabuo na po yung Rubik's Cube natin, guys. In just few hours. Ganyan ako kahina sa Rubik's Cube. Si Ma'am Marie Shaila Lanelo. Shoutout po. Extrovert. O Jing Delmar, bravo pagkatang haltig. Hi Jin, Ma'am Jin. Jin Lipat. Inanim jud ko. Other part of my. Kamusta man, Ma'am? Kamusta pala po, Ma'am Jin? Meron kasing nanonood na kaya ang gagawin ko po, I'll give my best. Gutom guys. Gutom mag-live. And Brenda Rowena me Luzada Janlet Kapa. Hello po. Rowena Mejia Luzada. Oy, Ma'am Rowena Mejia Luzada. I'll follow you and you follow me. Alright. Dan po. Present po, ma'am. Maricela. Hi, Weng. Uy, magkaibigan pala ni si Ma'am Weng at si Ma'am Maria. Magkaibigan pala, guys. Katim natin yan. Yes. Okay po, ma'am. Katim. Okay na ba yung Tagalog ko? Ma'am Marie. So ito guys, nabuo na yung Rubik's Cube. You're welcome. You're most welcome. Iba lang logo niya. Okay lang yun. Wala sa logo yan, ma'am. Sa dugo mo. Team Maluwa. Sa dugo. So shout out po kay Ma'am Jean, Coach Jean. Guys, kung sino yung gustong mag-herbal capsule, kay Ma'am Jean. Ma'am Jean. Pare. Iwan ko ano yung kwan. Jean Lee. Judy Vina. Oy, happy lunch pala sa inyo, no? Lunch na pala dyan sa Pinas, guys. Lunch na pala dyan. So, kain kayo, dahan-dahan lang. Naka-duty ka na, ma'am. Good morning po, Founder. Hello, sis. Judy Vina. O dito, si Judy Vina, si Maria at si Rowena. Dito nag-uusap, guys. Thank you so much, pahag. Mag-hug kayo dyan. Pahag. Judy Vina. Hello, admin Judy Vina. Sino ba? Ba't admin ba si Judy Vina, guys? Admin pala si Ma'am Judy Vina. MM vlog ni Ara ako. Nandito pala si MM vlog. So, ang tawag yun, naka-hold yung account niya, guys. Dahil po, nasobraan po ng comment sa live. So, ibig sabihin po nun, overuse po yung keypad niya. So, huwag niyo overuse yung keypad niya, baka masunog. Okay? So, shout out sa few. Sumilip lang sandali. Nasa training workshop ako, co-founder. Wala ka naman kilala sa team. Uy, si MM lang yata. Marami akong kakilala, ma'am. Tulad sa'yo. Sinashot. Iba kasi yung oras dito, ma'am. Pag gabi dito, tapos umaga dyan. So, sumisilip ako sa mga live. Hindi gaano. Pero at least nag-iiwan ako ng say hi, hello. Mga 1 minute. Yan. Sarap mong away. Kasalanan na ata ako nito. Pira nga lang ako mag-live kasi nasa Canada ako. Iba yung oras. Si Ma'am Judy V na workshop. Anong workshop yun, ma'am? Training workshop. Baka artista to si Ma'am Judy. Si Judy Ann Santos. Tingnan mo. Judy Ann Santos. Si Judy Ann Santos yun. Shout out sa asawa ko. Nasa likod.
Kating katulog na.
Okay. Busy si Ryan. Hindi naman busy. Iba lang yung oras. Iba lang yung oras natin, guys. So, anyway, pag weekend naman, bumabawi naman ko dun. Talagang weekend, bawing-bawi. Kasama siya sa Batang Quiapo. Di mo ba? Ay, di ko alam yan, ma'am. Kasama pa sa Batang Quiapo. Yung hindi matay-matay na karakter ni Coco. Si Coco Martin, ang hero ng Philippines. Ano ba yung tawag doon? Entertainment. Siya yung lola ni Babos. Di nga. Ma'am Judy, di nga. Mamaya, search ko mamaya. Punta ako, Ma'am Judy. Pinupunta ako. Kaya mo na. Mamaya, pupuntahan ko. Puntahan mo. Late para bahay ko, ma'am. Nakakahiya. Tulog ka na? Yes po, darling. Puntahan. Late pa ng bahay ko, ma'am. Kakahiya pa, ma'am. Hug all the teammates, idol. Judy Vina, ikaw ba yung lola ni Babos? Ito guys, nabuo ko ng Rubik's Cube. Ito ang laro ng mahihina. Kaya ako naglaro nito kasi mahina ako. Hug all the teammates, idol, hug. Sige, puntahan ko yung 19,000. Ay, mag-comment kaya ako doon sa Team Malwang TV. 7i, shout out. Short ako ng 1.5 eh. Ma'am Marie, short ako ng 1.5 na followers. Ma'am Judy Vina. Short ako ng 1.5. So anyway guys, 7 viewers, 7 eyes. So sarap. Sarap yung kausap guys. Okay guys, capitalize ko yung iniisip. Nag-bike kasi kami kanina. Tapos magbabike na naman kayong weekend. Itim na ako guys oh. So, hindi ko magagawa-gawa yung mga gusto kong gawain. Sa 4 viewers. Oh, si Ma'am Marie. Nasaan yun si Ma'am Marie? Yung... Kita mo, that's good, idol. Opo, Ma'am Judy. Naaway ko ni Ma'am Marie. Sumbong kita. Okay lang ba yung Tagalog ko, guys?
If I was to use a much more gradual engine to sort of accelerate slowly, then maybe this will be more easy to fly with and also more survivable for an airplane. I wanted to test the rocket
Yun nga eh, nakapwesto ako.
before strapping them onto the precious SR-70.
Kasi busy ako.
For this, I would use a data
Kapag mag-live ako, nagluluto, may ginagawa. Hindi ako yung nasa idea ko, Ma'am Marie. Yung magtutok show ko para bakbakan tayo, usapan tayo. Bibigyan ko ng topic. Tapos doon tayo magpo-focus. Tapos alam mo yun, parang gano'n. Co-founder. Kita mo. Ang butsay. Hayaan mo na yun. Iba ako eh. Introvert. Anyway guys. May trabaho ko bukas. Magigising pa ako. So, sarap. Kakatuwa. Quick live. 14 minutes. Abutin ko ng 1 oras. Huwag niyo akong bitawan. 1 oras tayo guys. Huwag niyo akong bitawan. 1 oras tayo. 14 minutes lang. Malang saglit lang yun. Tapos, panik na ako. Tapos, matutulog na ako. Short. Kala ko quick live. Alam mo na. Kulit pala ito ni Ma'am Marie. Di ko pa Oh, siya yan, ma'am. Si Ma'am M. Yung 100%, 120% support. Yes, admin. Nalilito ako ng Judy. Admin pala si Ma'am Judy din. Ma'am Judy! Tulungan mo naman ako. 1.5 na lang kulang ko. Si Ma'am Mario. Ayan. Check ka lang. Lapit na oh. 13 minutes na lang. Buuin natin 1 oras guys. Gagawin ko yung plano ko guys. Pero sa bandang Manila, baka Gcash lang. Oh, libre. Oh, nice. Nag-live oh. Pang YouTube. Gawin ko yung plano ko guys. Pero, alam mo, saan ko? Iisip ko pa yung mga dapat kong gawin. Introduction sa... Shout out ka nga sa Batang Quiapo, dadami followers mo. Ano ba? Isa-shout out ko lang, isusulat ko. Turuan mo nga ako. Batang Quiapo. Batang Quiapo. Ma'am, confirm mo nga to. Shout out Batang Quiapo. Confirm mo nga to si ma'am. Ikaw ba si Lola Babos? Baka ma'am, co-founder, bisitahin ko nga yung bahay mo, ma'am. Pagkatapos, 10 minutes na lang. 10 minutes na lang. Isali mo ako, co-founder. Shoutout, Batang Quiapo. Ma'am Judy. Saan ba yun? Si Ma'am Judy Vena. Kinatawag kang Lola Dimbapos. Totoo ba yun? Is it true or fluff? 10 minutes na lang guys, samahan nyo. 10 minutes. Okay? Si Ma'am Marie. Pumunta ka nga dito, admin. Ojing Dilmar. Si Sir Ojing nasa UK. Short ako 1.5 guys, 1.5. Hindi, sige. Tama, no? Punta ko nga yung mga kuwan dyan. Sir Ojing Dilmar. Admin din si Sir Ojing Dilmar, sige. Punta ko yung mga bahay nyo, kakatok ako, hihingi ako ng... Bago lang ako sa mga ganitong transaction, guys. Memory, bago lang ako yung mga punta sa bahay. Kakalo, punta sa bahay. Akala ko pupunta talaga. Anyway, guys. Ano ba itong thinking ako?
Okay, we're down. I think we're down.
Dito ay umaga. Sabihin mo kay founder mamaya, short ka ng 1.5. Kanino bang founder, ma'am? Sa kay Sir Ojing. Kay Sir Ojing, kay Judy Vina, at kay Mariel Telson. Sabihin ko sa tatlo. Say hi.
Nothing to.
Ito ko 1.5. Bigyan mo ko ng kahit 500, ma'am. Last 8 minutes. 8 minutes, guys. Tinga, bago lang ako sa ganitong mga transaction. Katuwa lang yung mga live ko. Ano mo? Anong tawag ito? Rubik's Cubes. Oh! Mana ka? Yung ang ngipon mo. Yeah. Sipagan lang talaga magpunta sa bahay-bahay. Napakatagal naman ng oras. Saglit nga yan lang, isang oras. Pikit ka. Pa-alarm ka ng 8 minutes, di ba? Mag-nap ka, ma'am, di ba? Ang bilis. Sipagan lang talaga punta sa bahay. Yes, ma'am. Emeline Claveria Dala. The Tulaita. Katuwa, hindi namang kakatoy. Di ba may natutunan ka? Nagluluto ako. Naggugupit. Di ba? Pag ako magseryoso sa live. May live ako yung isa yung maganda din. Ito medyo formal to eh. Gusto ko may interaction. Maganda yan. Gusto ko may interaction para Sunday ng umaga, Sunday ng gabi dyan. Sige, kukunin ko yan. Try ko. Tapos meron kong kakusapin. Tapos try ko. Sige. Try ko. Para maganda yung interaction. 6 minutes na lang po, Ma'am Marie. Thank you so much. Hindi ka bumitaw. Kilala ko yung mga founder. Si Marie Telson, nandito sa Saskatchewan. Ikaw, ma'am, alam ko, nandito ka sa ibang bansa. Alam ko. Tingnan ko cellphone ko. Nakatuwa to si Ma'am Marie. Kala ko, dumadaan lang sa wall. Di ka ba tindi pala ng Bisaya to? Buti nag-aral ako ng Pilipino. So 5 minutes na lang guys. 5 minutes na lang guys. So salamat po from the bottom of my heart. But guys, 5 minutes. 2 share, oh. Sige, ma'am. Tahan kita doon. Tahan sa bahay mo. Kakatok ko ng 500. Tahan ko yung mga pounder natin. Short ako 1.5. Short ako. Hello, Pogi man. Ate Manuel Matute. Oh, 4 minutes na lang. Mag 4 minutes. Ate, shout out. Good morning. Maing udto da. Magandang tanghali. Si Ma'am Marie is forward ko sa iyo official na team. Officials. Sige po. Admin din yan. Kapitbahay ko yan. Kapitbahay ko si Ma'am Marilyn Matuti. Alam mo naman, Ma'am Marie. Sir. Oh, magka-opposite ng oras natin eh. Yan, kulit ni Ma'am Marie. Quick live lang ako eh. Tinatanong sa akin sino mga admin. Nasagot ko man ang tama. Si. Basahin mo, Ma'am Marie Silya. Kapit-bahay kami. Yung bahay namin. 3 bahay. Katapat 3 bahay lang. Bahay nila Ma'am Marilyn Matute. So, pasensya mo, Ma'am Marilyn, yung umuwi ka. Siya gitita dihag. Jutay, pre. Wala, pre, paos. Pre, dapat magtagalog tayo kasi meron akong kasamahan dito na hindi naman nainis pero gusto niyang makasabay sa conversation. So, kapitbahay nga, wala naman kilala sa atin. At least may kikil. Si co-founder mo na siya na Lanilo. Si co-founder. Co-founder pala. At least may kakilala ko kapitbahay. So, 2 minutes, ma'am. Thank you so much, co-founder Maria Sala Lanilo. Haba-haba na pinag-usapan natin. Natapos din. Oo nga, nahiya ako. Wala akong... Next time, uwi ako, marami kong dadalhin na mga pasalubong. That time kasi biglaan. So, yeah. Nahiya akong pumasyal. Wala akong maibigay. Tapos napakainit noon that time. So, sana makauwi ako. Next year or basta soon as sarap umuwi. Sana. So, yeah. Thank you so much. Ate Marilyn Matute. Short ko 1.5. Sabi po ni Ate Ma'am Maria Sheila Nalero, puntahan ko doon yung mga bahay. Short. Suplado ka. Ate, oy, naaway ako. 1 minute 30 seconds. 1 minute 30 seconds lang, ma'am. Good night. Take care, guys. Next na live ko, sana matupad na yung gusto kong mangyari. Parang talk show na sana may manood, pero I will keep in touch sa mga co-founder. Sa mga founder, co-founder, wala ako punta ka sa mga si Rise, 9 hours na lang kulang ko sa followers. 900 na lang kulang ko sa followers. Sir Ryan. Kayang-kaya ni Ma'am Marie. Yeah, kayang-kaya natin yan. Let's do it. So, take care, guys. Salamat. Gutom ko dun na. Ano ba yun? Wala. Okay. Ingat mo dati sa Asunsyon. Ma'am Marie, kung saan ka man naroroon, ingat ka rin. God bless us all. At dito po nagtatapos. Pag mag-live ka, ipin ko. Sige, pinta ka ron. Sige, pinta ka next time. So thank you so much. Over ko og 5 seconds. Salamat po ng marami. God bless us all. Thank you and goodbye. Singapore pala. Shout out sa taga Singapore. Oy, maraming magaganda diyan Singapore. Singapore, I love Singapore. Bye-bye.